Welcome to Trading Analysis. This is Lesson 4 of Module 1 in our Trading Fundamentals course. In the previous lesson, we talked about the probabilistic mindset and why successful traders stay detached from individual trades. Today, we're going to talk about something that destroys more accounts than bad strategies ever will: behavioral traps. More specifically, revenge trading and bias. Because most traders don't blow up from one bad trade. They blow up from the emotional decisions that come after it. The trade that started the disaster. Let me tell you a story. A trader takes a setup. Everything looks good. He enters and loses. No big deal. Losses are part of trading. But then something changes. Instead of moving on, he wants his money back immediately. Now he's not trading the market anymore. He's trading his emotions. 5 minutes later, he's in another trade. Then another. Then another. The setup quality gets worse. The position size gets bigger. And somehow every trade becomes, this one will make it all back. Sound familiar? Congratulations, you've met revenge trading. And trust me, revenge trading has probably destroyed more accounts than bad analysis ever has. Why revenge trading happens? The funny thing is, most traders know they're doing it. They just don't stop. It's like eating an entire pizza and saying, I really shouldn't be doing this, while reaching for the next slice. You know it's a bad idea, but emotions are driving the decision. The market took money from you, and now your brain wants payback. The problem? The market doesn't even know you exist. You're trying to get revenge on something that has no idea you're angry. Then bias joins the party. And this is where things get worse, because after revenge trading comes bias. Let's say you believe the market should go higher. Now every chart looks bullish. Every candle confirms your opinion. Every tweet agrees with you. Every YouTube video agrees with you. And anything that disagrees, you ignore it. This is called confirmation bias. You're no longer looking for the truth. You're looking for evidence that you're right. And those are two very different things. The dangerous cycle. This creates a cycle that traps traders for years. Loss, frustration, revenge trade, bias, another loss, more frustration, even bigger revenge trade, even stronger bias. And suddenly one small loss becomes an entire week's damage. The scary part? Most traders think they have a strategy problem when they actually have a behavioral problem. How professionals break the cycle. Professional traders do something different. After a loss, they pause. They review, they reset. They don't immediately jump into another position. And before taking the next trade, they ask, if the previous trade never happened, would I still take this setup? That one question can save you thousands, because it forces you to separate the current opportunity from your emotions. The solution. The solution isn't finding a better indicator or a better strategy. It's creating rules that protect you from yourself. Because your biggest enemy in trading isn't the market, it's the emotional version of you that appears after a loss. The trader who wants to make it back immediately. The trader who refuses to admit they're wrong. The trader who starts seeing only what they want to see. That's the trader you must learn to control. Key takeaway. If there's one thing I want you to remember from this lesson, it's this. Revenge trading happens when emotions take control. Bias happens when opinions replace objectivity, and both can destroy even the best trading strategy. The best traders don't focus on being right, they focus on staying objective. Because the moment you become emotionally attached to proving yourself right, the market usually proves you wrong. In the next lesson, we're going to explore flows and macro as context, not signals. Because understanding what the broader market is doing can help you build context for your trades without blindly treating every headline, flow, or macro event as a trading signal. I'll see you in the next lesson.
Goodbye!